Hey, what up guys, it's Mitsuownes. In today's video I want to bring another episode of Cooking with Mitsuownes. Now it's been like over 2 years since I last did one of these joints, and today I thought this would be the day I would revive the series. So without further ado, let's get into the cooking. So today's dish will be some penne noodles with some white sauce. So as always, if you don't have penne noodles yet, look at the tutorial or a grocery store. It shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes, and depending on how much you eat, I would go with the half of the thing, so let's do that. So since we handled that, put the stove on, I don't know, high I guess, and now we wait for the water to boil. Right, so the water seems about ready, so now the input is crucial. So you want to gently input the noodles, like I said, around the half of the packet. Now, but that's not all. So what you want to do is get like some olive oil and dip some of it in there. Okay, that's enough. And get some salt. Where's my salt? Wait. No. Okay. Oh, damn it. Okay. Get like a bit of salt, you know, just like, you know, maybe a bit more. Right, now get a spoon or some sort of, and then just stir it. Right, so while the noodles are boiling, we are now going to prepare the sauce. So what you want to do is get like a bit of butter, you know, not too much. Spoon maybe. You can alter this with maybe like olive oil or oil in general. Just put it in here. This is going to be the thing for the sauce. Okay, so now the butter has gained some momentum. This move is going to be crucial. You need like a spoon full of flour, you know, like, see the inputs? Boom! And now, mix it. You gotta mix it, and then add about like 200 milliliters of water. Look at that. Boom! Look at that. You see that? Doesn't look like much yet, but believe me, it's going to be juicy. Alright, so the final step, you will need some seasoning. So take like a tablespoon of some seasoning of your choice. Teaspoon, sorry. Like, wait, dang it. No. Woo. No. Okay, wait. Okay, there you go. Just like, boom. And add on, now some more mixing. Woo, the smell. Alright, the sauce is done, the noodles are done, so all you need to do now is grab one of these joints and filter the noodles. Now look at those graphics. Look at that resolution. I don't even know how many frames they have, but yeah. If you want to stunt on them as well, you can add some, you know, gently. Okay, one green one for good measures. Just put it on, just put it all in. Okay, so there you have it, a very simple and quick dish. I don't know about you, but this is making me pretty hungry, so let me go ahead and handle my business. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Mitsuownes signing out. Peace.